Okay, folks, this is another of many of the unboxings that are going to happen on this date. Coincidentally, the orchid gods were all aligned, apparently. But this is from Austin Creek. I love taking advantage of what I would deem sales. For example, I think that, what's his name? Biedermeier, maybe Marble, KG. Every winter he has a sale, which comprises of maybe no IDs. Just seems to be a mass purging, if you will, divisions, and they're generally very inexpensive, like $15, $20 for a nice one-size plant. Austin Creek tends to, if you follow a particular site, you will know when the prices are almost reminiscent bargain basement, or they're just discounted. In other words, I call it a sale. This is Angraecum florulentum. As you know, I had a big specimen that I repotted and then let it get infested. It came from Orchid Web. And so now I've been trying to get my Angraecum collection back up. And since florulentum is one of those that you rarely see, since I've known orchids, you hear about it, but you rarely see it. And when it is available, it's gone quick. So I do have one that I got, and I wanted to get to a backup. Okay, which I rarely do, but in cases of bucket list, I don't hesitate. The treasure hunt, the orchid hunt, orchid delirium. The competition is real. So this is another Phalaenopsis corner survey. And there's a spent flower. Nice root system. And this is another plant you used to see very frequently across the market. Now seems it's making a comeback, but still not, the quantities are not there, so it's still pretty hard to get for some reason. So, and this, well, I know what this is. Well, you all will realize that. No, I don't know what this is. I thought it was something else. Excuse me. This is still a bucket list plant. Actually, I used to have this plant, and it was best of show in the Illinois Orchid Society. I think it was the fall show one year. Beautiful. Rebecca Kupovich, Paphia Pilum, Michael Kupovich, crossed with Half Lady Isabel. And I'll try to dig up a picture. So, there's that one. And arborescent from my collection. Yay, at a good price, nice size, lots of roots. It is bare root, which is okay. They benefit from tree fern poles so that the roots can attach to. Very nice. This is a bloom size plant. They bloom small. Okay. This one, which I have forgotten. Let's see. Tag says, oh, Dan Canaliculatum. And we all know that one definitely is my favorite. One of my bucket list members and favorite. Okay. Trying to unwrap this and get to the nitty gritty. What's in the pot? And there's the plant. Looks like it was a little bit also during transport, but there are 3 spikes, and so I will let you know, keep you posted. Anyway, that's my haul. I certainly think I excellent choices that you all understand and could have predicted and recognize that they are replacements and are always, these plants are on my forever list. So that is all I have to say. Thanks for watching and enjoy your orchids as always.